Hey there, Becca here from Inside the Square. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite codes for customizing a blog post on mobile and tablet devices. When you have a blog post that's set to narrow on desktop, it can get really tiny on smaller screens like a tablet or a mobile phone. Luckily, we can use just a little bit of creative CSS to adjust the width for those specific screen sizes. I've got the code that I use for this listed in the description below, but I would love to teach you how to use it because you're going to want to customize this for your own unique style. I'll go ahead and share my screen so we can get started. Here we are inside Squarespace looking at a blog post that is set to be a narrow width. We still have 2 columns of content here on the desktop version, but when we look at the mobile version of the site, everything goes down to 1 column. Now I'm going to pull over the right-hand side of the screen here to reduce the width to simulate what this looks like on a tablet. And here we can see that we now have the 1 column width and we're not getting a lot of padding on the side. This is what we're going to change with custom CSS. I'm going to stretch this back out to full width here and we're going to navigate over to our Pages menu. Then we'll select Website Tools and then Custom CSS. This is where you're going to paste the code that's listed underneath this video. Now, what this code says is that when we're using a screen that is at least 768 pixels wide, but smaller than 1024, we're going to take the inner wrapper of this blog. We're going to give it a margin that's 15 view W or 15% of the width. And we're going to make sure that the width of the content is at least 70%. Now, when we shrink this screen down to that smaller size, you'll see we still have the 2 column effect, but we have a lot more padding on the side than we did before. Now, if that's too much, we can totally reduce this. Maybe you want to change this to 10 and have the width be 80% to stretch it out a little bit more. It's super customizable, and this will only affect the tablet viewpoint of your blog. When you're looking at a mobile view, it's still going to be a single column, and when you're looking at desktop and we stretch this back out, we're going to retain that narrow width setting. Again, this code right here is listed in the description below. Just update the margin value and the width value until it suits the style for your own unique website. Underneath this video, you'll find the codes that we just used to make this magic happen in Squarespace. You'll also find links to related resources that can help you make Squarespace uniquely yours. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like and a comment, and most importantly, have fun with your Squarespace website. Bye for now. Find everything you need to make Squarespace uniquely yours at InsideTheSquare.co. That's InsideTheSquare.co.